Blood cells circulate in our arteries and veins carrying oxygen to and carbon dioxide from the tissues in our body. Our bodies continually produce acids and bases, which are carried by blood cells to the organs of excretion. Blood cells must do this without allowing its own acid-base balance to be affected. To do this, some proteins act as buffers to maintain the blood's normal pH. The pH scale ranges from acidic, 0, to alkaline, 14. 7 is neutral. When it is acidic, there are more hydrogen ions, and when it is alkaline, there are less. The pH of blood is found ranging from 7.3 to 7.4. The bicarbonate buffering system is an acid-base homeostatic mechanism which balances carbonic acid, bicarbonate ion, and carbon dioxide to maintain the pH in blood. Failure of this system results in an acid-base imbalance, such as acidemia, when the pH in blood is less than 7.35, and alkalemia, when the pH in blood is greater than 7.45. Acidosis is an increased acidity in the blood. An example of this is respiratory acidosis, which is a result from buildups of carbon dioxide in the blood. When this occurs, the blood becomes more acidic and the pH level decreases. To make up for this, kidneys secrete bicarbonate and expel excess hydrogen ions. Alkalosis is a decrease in hydrogen ions in the blood. An example of alkalosis is respiratory alkalosis, which is a result from decreased blood levels of carbon dioxide. When this occurs, the pH of blood increases and becomes too alkaline. The kidneys compensate by absorbing bicarbonate and retaining hydrogen ions. It's important that our pH of blood remains balanced. Over time, our bodies become increasingly unbalanced. Initial signs can be rashes, allergies, inflammations, colds, and flus, though this can become much more fatal. On a cellular level, our cells begin to suffer from lack of oxygen and are being poisoned. If the process continues, eventually chronic degenerative disease will occur, followed by death. An imbalance in the pH of blood can be affected by a number of factors, such as the foods we eat, stress, pollution, and even the quality of our thoughts and emotions. Knowing all of this, there are ways to maintain the pH of blood. The main one is eating healthy. Since blood is slightly alkaline, it's best to eat foods that are alkaline in nature. Whole foods, vegetables, and fruits tend to be more alkaline, while most processed foods and animal byproducts tend to be more acidic. Having more knowledge about our bodies and staying healthy, we can lead happier and healthier lives.